Yo, 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 yo! It's your favorite lifestyle YouTuber, and today I'm gonna talk to you and break down for you. Think like I'm just gonna okay, honestly, I'm just gonna yap today and like think that fucking pisses me off is why every music producer looks like a fucking geek, like the picture on the screen. So by actually being in the scene and observing like all the other producers, it really before the like movement with the self-improvement movement, like with the gym being trendy at all, like all the producers are like just looking like fucking nerds. And I swear to God, like the amount of like successful producers who look like they just got done raiding in World of Warcraft or like I play myself I play games myself too, like and you don't have to look like it. Like I was there. I was weighing like 120 kilos. I don't know how much is this in pounds, but like so much. I'm also 2 meters tall, and this is really important that you fucking take care of your physique at the younger age, because at like our profession it is required to sit long hours in front of your desk, in front of your monitor. Like I'm not gonna go into depth like with all the hacks, like all the methods to preserve your vitality. But I'm gonna show you today how with low, like really low effort, you can just not look like a fucking geek. Basically, that's all. And it's gonna be some effort from your side, not much, but trust me, it will be worth it. So for a quick introduction, just that you know that I'm not bullshitting, I'm gonna put somewhere up here like a video of my physique. And I work a job too. I'm not just music producing, like that's not on my only occupation. I don't got the whole day for myself. And I developed a plan that's solving basically the issue of not moving, because I also have a desk job. If you maybe work like construction or something, that's good for you. I have a different job and I have to exercise to stay lean, to stay muscular somehow. So to some of you that may know a little bit of about working out, about gym, there is an app that's called Heavy, and you can like register your workout, your progress there. It's a really nice app, and also you can find my workout there and like other people workouts too. So I recommend you that just downloading that. If you want to make a workout by yourself, you don't like some exercises, like any reason for that, there is no excuse. You can just use Gemini, you can use free version, and basically just type something like along the lines what you can see on the screen. So I'm a novice at the gym. My kg or pounds is X and X. My weight is X and X. It's supposed to be height, not weight. And I want a general workout, full body workout is, in my opinion, the best for starting out. And for 3-4 times a week, that's I think the healthy amount if you're gonna work out like 30 minutes to an hour, and just prompt it to not give to you like hard exercises like squats, because you may like injure yourself on. And remember to prompt it so it does not give you the hard exercises for the start. It's really beneficial to do them later, but you are not a bodybuilder and you just want a good physique and like feel good, so you don't want to injure yourself by not knowing what you do. And like simply you just after the work drive to a nearby gym, like 40 minutes of workout is enough. So that's with like for me it's like hour and a half in total, and like I try to go 3 to 4 times a week at least. Like you can incorporate some cardio, simple. Okay, so hear me out on this, and many people like don't just skip it, like this is the hardest shit for them, and I really despise that. You need, as a man, you need to know how to cook like basic food. I don't require you to like do the restaurant dishes. I don't require you to do that, but you can make a pretty basic meal with low effort. Like you can teach yourself that in a day and just eat normal food. Like you don't have to eat very specific diet like keto, like low fat. You don't have to worry about nothing. Like just don't eat processed garbage food, and that's all. That's the simplest way to start. And something I literally like, I love this meal and I eat it almost every day now. It's just ground beef with avocado, with zucchini, with egg, like 5 of them, and optional sometimes I throw in some cheese, like some Italian hard cheese, and salt of course to taste, and that's all. And you just fry all that on the pan, and it does not require you any effort. Like this is 10 minutes to prepare. Like do the shopping. Like you can do the shopping in bulk, and you don't have to waste any of your time. And you're gonna feel so much better. Trust me. Just trust me on that. And to not go overboard on this today, just couple extra rules. Move your ass from chair once in a while. Like try to incorporate being outside, which is really as with the sleeping good. That's the hardest part for me, and I'm trying to work on that. If you maybe have a desk job or just like you're sitting on the computer for many hours each day, every day, just like find 30 minutes or like an hour to just walk outside, maybe call some friend and just go outside and enjoy the time, like enjoy the sun. I don't know what's the weather, like nothing is stopping you from doing this, and it's free. You don't have to, you just walk outside, simple as that. Sleep good, of course. Sleep is important. I don't have much to say on that. I try to sleep at least 6 hours. For some people that's not enough. For me that's okay. I could be sleeping more, but I slack on that. I'm just being honest right now. I slack on that. And the last and the least important, but you can really, and in my opinion, the least important of them all, but you can really benefit like doing all the habits all together. You can add basic supplements like vitamin D, omega-3, zinc, creatine, and caffeine. Like from my experience, the best way to supplement creatine is like 10 grams a day, so 2 scoops. And creatine is like really cheap in Poland. It's I think 30, like 10 USD in Polish currency. So it's really that cheap. You can buy it in bulk, and you can like find there are so many tutorials on that you can find on TikTok, on YouTube. That doesn't matter really. So finally, what are the benefits? The most of them all, like in being a music creative person, mental sharpness is really important, and I do want to stress it, is how you feel. It also impacts your work. Being sexy and healthy, that's really speaks for itself. When you make it, you ain't gonna need to pay for relationships. And this is something I see and like see people talk about. And that's really true. If you have to enjoy the path you're taking right now. You can like just make the money now. I know some of you might think that, so I make my money now and then I get in shape. No, it doesn't work like that. And you will greatly benefit from doing that earlier. You will actually get to know about the ugly tax and pretty privilege. I experienced it myself, believe it or not, and this is really brutal once you understand it. But yeah, just look it up. And lastly, living like a human being, not a fucking nerd, and doing something different than just working. Being like extra productive, even like if you love making music, you're gonna burn out and just lose interest. So it may seem scary at first, but you're gonna love it and you're gonna enjoy it. I'm speaking from experience, and you're gonna love every moment of it when you have the break to do something else. So that was a longer video today. Let me know in the comments if you would like the shorter form or like more in-depth videos on topics like that. And as usual, comment your video ideas in the description. And if you want to work with me one-on-one, contact me. My Instagram is below under. So bye bye.